Welcome to today's tutorial. This is Imacom Studio. So today I'm going to teach you how to create backgrounds, how to generate images, detailed images using Google Gemini. Yes, I'm going to show you how to create backgrounds, quality backgrounds using Gemini. So first of all, how we get the backgrounds, we need to get a prompt because the Google Gemini works according to the prompt you give to it. So we need a detailed prompt that we can use to generate the backgrounds in the Gemini app. Because if you want to use ChatGTP to generate the backgrounds, it's still going to generate backgrounds, but there is limit to image generation. Especially if you are using the free plan, there is a limit. So, but if you are using Gemini, there is actually no limit on how many images you can generate. So we use ChatGTP instead to get the prompt, then we'll take it to Gemini to generate the image. Okay, so depending on the kind of image you want to generate, you can type in your text in this box here, or you can choose to use your voice to do a recording of what you want, then you send it, a voice note of what you want to do, and send it. Okay, so for me now, I'm going to use voice notes. Actually, I'll use voice note. Okay, so we are waiting for the prompt. Okay, here is the prompt. Here is the prompt. So now that you have gotten the prompt, I'm going to copy it to the Gemini app. I'll copy it. So this is what it's saying: a realistic African market scene showing a joyful young boy dancing in the middle of a lively crowd around him. Smiling people clap and cheer. To the left, women are selling ripe red tomatoes neatly arranged in baskets. To the right, other women are selling fresh green cabbages piled high. In the background, colorful market umbrellas and stores create a vibrant atmosphere. On the ground, near the market stores, a madman sits on the floor wearing tattered clothes, while a small child sits close to him, curiously watching the dance. The sunlight is bright and warm, casting natural shadows. This entire scene is detailed, realistic, and full of authentic African energy and emotion. So you see the prompt, and then you see how detailed the chat GTP was able to modify what I said to it, and then gave me this detailed prompt to use in Gemini. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'll take it to the Gemini app, just paste it there, and it's going to generate this image for me. So I'll take it to the Gemini app. This one I generated recently. I'll paste it there. So I'll send it. So I was waiting just a few seconds. It's going to generate the image for me. Okay, it's almost done. Almost done. Almost done. So depending on the speed of your network, that's what's going to determine how fast it's going to generate. Okay, so we see. Can you see the scene? So this is an African scene. You can see how it is. Let me zoom it in. You can see how detailed it is. Look at the women selling tomatoes at the left, and they're cheering. Look at the madman that we described. Look at the little child sitting close to the madman. Look at the cabbages. So you see everything is just the art. So so this is how I do it. I use ChatGTP to generate the prompt, and then use Gemini to generate the image. Yes, because ChatGTP has limited images you can generate a day if you are using the free version. So, but Gemini, you just generate as many as you want. So, but if you are using ChatGTP to get the prompt, there is no limit to how many prompts you can get. You can get as many prompts that you want. So that's it. So if you need more tutorials, you want to get more tutorials on AI prompting and then AI tools like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section also. See you in the next video.